What's going on, Brodesky? Cheesecake bite. I'm gonna do a mukbang because I'm bored and shit. Super. Got that new lemon pepper sandwich from Zaxby's. I definitely did partake in one or two of the fries already. You know what I'm saying? Can't on food. But I'm gonna try a sandwich now. Rate it 1 out of 10. No cap. No cap. Alright. On this rating. Let's go. I ain't gonna lie, Brodesky. That might be the best lemon pepper I've ever tasted, bro. Can't even lie to you, bro. It's hard to fathom that just went in my mouth, bro. I'm actually kind of surprised, bro. Surprised, bro. The Brodeskins in the back. Hey, they did it in there. I call out my nigga Bash Squeak to go get this meal. My nigga Bash Squeak, my nigga Dominique's. Got him. I don't know. Anybody else too. Definitely need to partake in this.